Number 4, we are going to talk about where to snip when you take cuttings or when you want to take something off, you want to cut at a joint. I always share that with people on the stevia. And then I wanted to share with you also, this is not the recommended work surface, but we wanted you to be in the greenhouses so you could see. These scissors are wonderful. I'm just showing you a little bit about how to cut basil. You want to wash it, pat it dry, and just snip it across like this. And then muddling is always fun. So you always do a little sugar or you do a little fruit. What that does is the extra abrasion helps break down the cells. This is just a Pampered Chef type thing, and you just muddle until you break the cells. You don't want to break the leaves because that gives you more flavor to your muddling. And then you're going to include that. So that is some of the ways that you can use your herbs, and we encourage you to look at our different pots, come in and shop yourselves, and always we are very appreciative that you make your garden and home a Parkview place. Thanks.